Alright, I thank everybody who's trusted me to contract me for the beer consultancy for my Galofa, my Melufa rituals. That one I appreciate. But I want to earn my money. So this is a General Afa Announcement. Obolo Nema, na your parents or your grandparents, make it ihe ọbụla ha na-eme. Wee tikpọ, wee munye ụkpa ndị ichie. Ark of the Covenant, the sacred Ark of the Covenant to your ancestors. Wee munye ọkụ, wee mebie, wee bee osisi mmụọ. Then just save your money where you want to give me for Alpha. Just go back house, go repair within the mess where you caused in your previous life. You know what I'm saying? I would like earn my money, so no they make am dey easy for me. Please make it easy for me, or just ask for my account number and send money, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, again, thanks for the patronage. Let me be your DBA consultant. The consultancy solution. Always Maze is an Ego for tutorial. It is Ego for. You can use it when you're sleeping to remember your dreams. And you can use it in the shower or when you're exercising as a meditation too.